Hi, I want to show you today a bit about the overview part of the Search Console dashboard that I have. In the previous video, you can see how the data filters work and this time series chart. But now I want to focus on this part, the overview, which shows me a bunch of tables for various entities that are part of the report. So the first one is the date, which is straightforward. You have URLs. We'll talk about these things in a bit. You can resize, and you can mouse over to see. You can adjust the row height if you want. So if you have a small website like this one, just 87, maybe you want to take it to this one. This becomes like a heat map. So you see a bit more, and you can make it as change the height as much as you want. Okay, we have queries here. The top query is 5,300 clicks versus 900 for the second one, and like very low clicks for the remainder, and that's anonymous queries. So keep this in mind. And the impressions are also huge. Countries, we have them here, search type, device, and we have a bunch of columns that start with is, and these are search appearance columns. So the most important one is this one, which is always going to be there. It shows you how many anonymized and non-anonymized queries you have. So as you can see here, we have 5,300 clicks that are anonymized. This is true, and 1,652 that excuse me, that are not anonymized. So you can see the huge and these are the difference in data, and these are the greatest queries. Like this is 3.7 CTR, this is 0.4, average position is 18, this is 50. So you keep this in mind when you're analyzing. How many times we appeared on organic shopping, translated result, product. And if you have a larger website, you'd have more of these. There's like 15 or 20. I don't know the exact. I forgot the exact number. Okay, so one thing you can do here that you cannot do on the regular interface is, okay, you see these are the top URLs in terms of impressions. You can just click on a URL, and you can visualize its impressions or clicks or CTR or query count and so on. So robots, spider, you can add another one. So this is interesting, where you can overlay multiple entities. You can do the same thing for queries, countries, and any of them. So if you want to see how two entities moved in time and you want to compare them, it's as easy as just clicking on this entity. And you can add as many and remove as many as you want. So you can see an interesting thing here. Let's remove the logs, and we'll see that we have a sudden drop and a sudden rise here in only one of the URLs, the top three. In the red one, which is the robots, nothing is there. Okay, so that's interesting. It could be a Google update that happened here and some update later, or something else. We don't know yet, but at least we know that this happened, and we know that this change happened only on this URL. So you can easily check with others. Do we have something in sitemaps? Nope. Here are the sitemaps. It's a completely different chart. So I think that's interesting, and you can, if you want to dig deeper, you can go back to the filters and say, I want the spider URLs that match this regular expression, spider.html, and rerun the whole thing. So this is a global filter that, and now you see we have this here. We didn't see this in the global chart, for example. Now we see it clearly with the robots, the spider URLs. Okay. And now you can go deeper, and you can see what's going on. So let's see the crawling queries, for example. SEO crawler, SEO crawler tool, and SEO crawl. I'm just comparing the crawling keywords. So let's take a look here. Let's remove the SEO crawl here. SEO crawler and SEO crawler tool, that's pretty much the same thing. But there's a very interesting pattern here. Even though these are small numbers, we have a consistent Saturday spike. and we have it on SEO crawler tool, but not SEO crawler. So this doesn't tell you why this happened. Double click to go back to normal, but at least it tells you that it happened, and that opens up the way for more nuanced analysis and auditing and an understanding of what's happening with your keyword analytics on search. And this was just a quick overview of what you can do. I hope you like it, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And thank you very much.